Hi, this is Farhan from TheDesignersLaw. Today I will show you how to easily organize artboards in Adobe Illustrator. Suppose you have a number of artboards. When you zoom out and you see this is all messed up. Of course, you can select the artboard tool and organize it manually, but this will take time. So there is an easy and quick method. First, go to Windows and then Artboard. Now select this icon. It's called Rearrange All Artboard. Also, you can select this from here. It's all the same. Since we have 12 artboards, so it shows 12 here. There are different settings like layout, columns, rows, spacing. In layout, we have grid by row, grid by column, arrange by row, arrange by column. You can change the layout order from right to left or left to right. You can change the number of columns or rows. Also, you can change the distance between artboards. But the important thing is make sure you check Move Artwork with Artboard. It means when you move the artboard, all the objects inside the artboard will move too. Okay, now let's see what happens if I press OK. Cool, isn't that amazing? Now you can play with these different layouts. So as you can see, there are different options and you can select them according to your need. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.